Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 update not installing problem. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update Service. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type /Windows software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type /Windows system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, bits. Exit and restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Update. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar, click Download Windows 11. Click Download Now under Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Click Next. Check ISO file, click Next. Click Save. Click Finish. Open downloaded folder. Open setup file. Select Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.